this video, we're going to walk through how to return medications to a Pyxis ES system device. There may be times when you end up not using a medication that you previously removed. If the sealed medication packaging hasn't been opened, you can return the medication to a designated location at the device, to a pocket or to a return bin. Returning a medication can be done in 3 basic steps. First, you'll choose your patient. Next, you'll select the medication. Then, you'll return the medication. Let's go through the steps for returning a medication to a pocket, starting with choosing your patient. From the home screen, you can select all available patients, but let's assume you have your My Patients list set up and use that instead. Find and select the patient associated with the medication and select Return. Now you can move to step 2, selecting the medication. Locate and select the medication you'd like to return. You'll notice that the medication now appears in the Selected Meds column on the right side of the screen. Add any other medications you have to return and use the X to remove any that you may have added by mistake. Once you've selected all your medications, select Return. This sets you up to complete step 3, returning the medication. Take a look at the screen. The system prompts you to return the medication to a specific location and pops open the appropriate drawer. Enter the amount of the medication you're returning on the screen. Place the medication in the pocket and close the QB lid. Then, close the drawer to accept the transaction. Repeat this step for any other medications you'd like to return, and that's it. Let's take a look at step 3 again, but this time for a medication that should be returned to a return bin. Check the return screen for the return location. This medication should be returned to the internal return bin, so the drawer containing the bin has popped open. Place the medication in the bin and close the drawer. Now, it's possible that your site requires that you scan medications when returning them to a device. If that's the case, the system will prompt you to scan at the beginning of step 3. Before opening the return location drawer, the system prompts you to scan the item you're returning. As the appropriate drawer pops open, check the screen for the return location. Scan the barcode on the designated location and place the medication in the pocket. Close the drawer to accept the transaction. Now you know how to return medications.